All right, it's that time of the year again to kick open those doors and clean your house. Here to help us with spring cleaning series with some easy-to-do do-it-yourself project, our friend, home contractor Skip Bedell.
We're back, Steve. We're doing it,
First of all, it is too cold to be doing power washing, but we're gonna.
Come on. Are you guys ready to do some power washing? So, yeah, it is a little bit chilly today, but it's spring cleaning kickoff season, and this thing is awesome. So, this is the Greenworks 2300 PSI power washer. I love this thing because it's really easy to roll around. It's got big 10-inch wheels. It's got kink-free hose, and it even has an onboard soap tank. But super powerful. But see, the best part about this, it's awesome. You can roll it around and get to where you gotta go.
I love that.
But it's on promo right now at Lowe's for under $240. So
holy cow! Well, let me see how it works.
You get all the big features of a big power washer for a great value.
And I like the fact that it's got this head. It's one of those turbo jobs.
Steve, get it? Yeah, look at it. Oh my God, this thing is ripping the dirt right off of there.
I could use this thing.
Get it, right? Isn't it awesome? Get over here. Get over here. Get it.
Oh, come on. I could do this in no time.
Hold on. You ready? Here it goes. Here it goes. Yeah, give it up for Steve Ducey. Come on.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Greenworks 2300 PSI. Get it at Lowe's right now. Only $239.
What do we do with this?
This is my new favorite spring cleaning tool. I love it. Oh, by the way, hold on a second. I brought this special for Brian. This is your eye protection because I didn't want to mess.
Is it prescription?
Yes, it is.
Okay, good.
I didn't want to mess up your makeup today, Brian. So that's for you. All right. So listen, this is the drill brush. This is awesome. This converts any drill into the ultimate brushing machine. So this simply snaps right onto any cordless drill, and you can use it to clean everything. There's a different color for every job you want.
That's like a carpet cleaner?
So
why would I switch colors though? Why would I switch colors?
Each color has a different. So you have the white one for fabrics and leathers. You have yellow for bathroom tiles,
different
kitchen appliances. You can clean everything all the way to barbecue grates. But the main thing is that this turns your drill into a scrub machine. Watch this. Look. So we're cleaning the carpet, right? We're cleaning tile grout. Ainsley, let me show you something. If you turn this on an angle like this, right, 40 feet, you get right inside the grout line. You're getting all the grout. But the nice thing about this tool is that you can change the bits very easily. You can put a different bit on it, and you're able to, to turn it from white to yellow to green, whichever color you want. It's a different color for every job.
Great idea.
If you look at these different things, they'll tell you for the bathroom. You can even clean your barbecue grates with it.
Where do you get it? Do you have to come to your house, or is this selling stores?
Yeah, no, you can get this. Go to skipbedell.com. They're all on there. You'll find the links to take you directly to the products. But this thing is amazing. It's the drill brush. It turns your drill into the cleaning machine. It takes all the work out of scrubbing.
We're going to send you down here to Brian.
Yeah. So check out Brian. Do you have your face mask on, Brian?
I'm sorry.
I need you to put the mask on.
Okay, there you go.
I'm ready. So
this is Odaband cleaning product. This is the choice of cleaning professionals. So they make a diluted version. This is the concentrate. You basically put it in your spray bottles. You can disinfect. It kills germs on contact.
I can't hear you with this thing on.
And it kills odors. So this is great. All the cleaning professionals use this stuff. It comes in gallons, which you can mix with water or convenience spray bottles, just like this. Basically, multiple different scents to it. You can see all the different flavors and scents that you have on there.
Just watch your dogs and pets, all right? The whole poison stuff.
No, because this is no harsh chemicals. It's safe to spray on anything. Your fabrics, you can spray it on everything. So this is a hard surface cleaner. You can use it to clean all your hard floors, countertops. This makes 128 gallons of cleaning fluid. So you dilute it with water and it cleans all your hard surfaces in the house.
Now, does our whole audience get one of these?
Everybody's going home. Everybody's going home with Odaband.
Come on, let's go.
You guys gotta get Odaband.